The other mice have one in their pen. Find it.
Who said someone's been eating that strawberry?
That's good. Where's Salt Lick?
You can put the hammock in one of them.
Oh, I could put the hammock in his in there.
Yeah. It's a nice
He can have this treat as the others have a Salt Lick. He can have that one. I do have a Salt Lick somewhere. Oh, I might actually just chop that in half before I put it in there for him. It's quite big. Okay, hammock. If that's going there, hammock I guess would go through.
And they can't get out by climbing.
No, because I'm not sure. No, there's not enough room for the hammock at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Probably just have his cage like that for now. And I will go and cut that tree and give him that. Oops, I keep putting this back on.
Yeah.
Too bad here.
Yeah, my dad's here.